Hello, welcome again to some net zero questions which you lovely viewers have sent in. So far, what's today's question?
So here's one that we got emailed through. They said, I work for a company, which I won't read out, that's listed on the London Stock Exchange. What do I need to do for SECR?
So they're listed on the London Stock Exchange?
Yeah.
Well, okay, nice and easy. So if you're a listed company, there are more things you need to do for SECR than if you're unlisted, okay? And there's two answers to this question. So I'm going to put a little line down here. This is answer one, this is answer two, all right? Let me, over this side, say what you must do, okay? You must take into consideration your global activities. Most companies, unquoted, for SECR only restrict their view to UK operations, whereas if you are quoted, you have to do your global operations. For a lot of companies, that's a lot of work. All right, so it's a big thing. Second is you need to take in more energy sources. So for example, one of my clients has a big use of steam. Now, if they're unquoted, we don't count steam in, or don't need to count steam in their SECR report. If they are quoted, yes, you do. So there are more energy sources to consider. And as I say, it is global. Apart from that, it's as per normal. It's all of your electricity and gas and other fuel sources. It is your electricity, and it is a scope 3 for business mileage, not much else. Okay, so it's really quite compact and bijou. And that's what you must do, all right? Okay, however, there is a second answer, which is if you are publicly traded and you look at what your competitors are doing, you'll find that there are some large reports out there. I was looking through a fantastic one the other day. No names, no pack drill, but it really was good. It was 54 pages long. And it had been designed beautifully. So yeah, it really was nice. And it gave you all the information about their environmental initiatives, both in the UK and because it's global overseas. Lots of charts and graphs and lots of statements of ambition. It was superb. And here's the problem. If you're quoted and everybody's viewing both yourself, your company and your reports left, right and centre, you are going to get compared to your competition. And if your competition are going into it in a fair amount of detail, then my recommendation to you is, unless you're feeling brave, I would do that as well. Typically these reports for us would be probably run to about 2 pages for a minimal report. We probably do about a 50-page audit trail for your auditors, but 2 pages here. And yeah, you can get away with it, that's legal, but I would definitely consider, how that looks to both your investors and to, just other people, maybe customers as well, looking through these statements that you make. Okay, so 2 answers. What must you do? They're the 2 biggest differences here and here. I would strongly recommend you think about sort of going further than that and not doing the barest minimum. Okay, Farah?
I think you did great.
Charmer. Okay, there you go.